Hey honey buns, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am showing you how I tone my hair. So if you've seen the before clips of what my hair looked like before this, it was extremely yellow, it was extremely brassy. I did dye my hair 2 times prior with a Dark and Lovely hair dye because I was trying to go a little bit lighter and it just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. So I was like, you know what, let me try one more time. So I went and bought a L'Oreal Frost and Glow hair dye box, and that just made my hair so much more worse than what it was. So I had to go to work one day with completely yellow hair but it was fine because I just put it in a ponytail. You couldn't really tell, but I was like, I can't do this. So I was like, let me just go ahead and go to Sally's and get some Wella T18 T35 to tone my hair, and thank you God that it just made my hair look so much better. So I wanted to look at videos on YouTube to see that I was doing it correctly, but I did not see any how to tone your hair for natural curly hair. So this is just my version of it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. So starting with my hair half up, half down, I am only toning the first half of my hair, or the front part of my hair, just because that is the only part that I dyed. If you can tell, it is just super yellow and super brassy. So taking my Wella Color Charm T35 and T18 and some Salon Care 30 Volume Developer, I'm just going to mix the Wella's, both of them, the T18 and 35. It's 35 or 25. I believe it's 35. I'm going to mix both of those bottles into this mixing bowl, and then I'm going to take my 30 volume developer and fill up one of the empty toning bottles, and I'm going to fill that little bottle up 4 times because you're supposed to do twice the amount for one bottle. So let's say you're using only one Wella Tea Color Charm, you're only going to fill that bottle up twice. So since I used 2, I filled that bottle up 4 times, and this is a consistency you want it to look like, and it just looks like snot and ugh, but it smells really good. I shouldn't say that because that's bad. You don't want to inhale this stuff, so make sure that you guys do have a fan around, or you have your window open or something like that, because you don't want to take all the fumes in. And guys, please wear gloves when you're doing this. When I did get halfway through doing this with my hands, my fingers felt like pins and needles. They were on fire. So I do not, like I said, I repeat, I do not recommend not using gloves. You need to wear gloves when you're doing this. So all I'm doing is just saturating my hair and making sure that I get this product all over, all in between each strand. And then yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing throughout my head, and the rest you can just watch. Now that I have the entire first half of my hair saturated, I'm going to add this shower cap to keep everything locked in. I'm going to keep this in my hair for 30 minutes, and then after that 30 minutes I am going to go in with the Shea Moisture Strength and Grow Treatment Mask to just repair my hair, give my hair a little bit of nourishment, since I did just do a bleach and then tone it. So I just want to add a little bit of moisture back in, and this stuff here is so freaking bomb. Like, if you have not tried this and you have natural hair, girl, you need to get to your local beauty supply store and pick this up. And this is my hair toned and styled, and it just looks so pretty, and it still looks healthy. It just, oh, my curls look like they are popping. I love the color. It is not extremely brassy. I do still have like some golden tones in it, but it's like a honey tone, so I am loving that because honey on my skin looks bomb, especially in the summertime and in the sunlight. Oh, I am just glowing. I cannot wait to just have more fun with this hairstyle. Well, not with this hairstyle, but with this color, and do some different styles. But if you were having the same problem, I hope this video works for you. I am not a professional, so please don't think that I am. I was just trying to fix my hair, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.